Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Siento leather-faced manager chair. Features. The Siento manager chair is faced in black soft feel bonded leather with matching vinyl back and sides for a fully upholstered look, and is finished with detailed stitching. Lumbar sculpture to the backrest provides support to the lower back area, while the waterfall front seat helps ease pressure on the legs, aiding circulation. The chair is fitted with fixed height curve armrests topped with matching comfort arm pads and features an integral angled headrest area. The single lever adjusts the seat height and the locking tilt mechanism on the chair. By lifting the lever up, the user can adjust the height of the chair, and by pushing the lever in, the chair can be locked in the upright position. Pull it out again and the chair will recline freely. The weight tension controller adjusts the tilt tension to suit your body weight. Turn clockwise to increase the tension and anti-clockwise to reduce it. The tighter this is set, the more tension is created when free-floating. For a more ergonomic experience, set the tension control to suit your body weight and unlock the tilt to encourage body movement throughout the day. The chair comes with a durable black 5-star base fitted with twin-wheel hooded casters. A TUV and BIFMA-tested gas lift supports users up to 110 kilograms, 17.3 stone. Foams are fire retardant to British Standard BS 5852 and fabrics to EN 1021. The Siento comes with a 2-year manufacturer's guarantee for up to 8 hours use per day, so you can buy with confidence. Available from stock and delivered flat-packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.